guys, welcome back to episode 2 of Restore the Curls, and in this video I'm just going to show you guys how I put my hair into a puff. So if you want to see this easy transformation, then please keep watching. Hey guys, so I just want to go ahead and put this out here right now. I am so sorry if you can hear any background noise. That was my mom watching TV. Just try your best to ignore it. And welcome back to my channel, and welcome to the second episode of my new series, Restore the Curls. I'm a little pressed for time today because I am getting ready for work at the same time, but I really wanted to record this video, and since it's so simple, hopefully it won't take me too long. But if you have not watched the first episode, then there will be a title card somewhere up here, so go watch that. I was just taking out my braids and doing a length check, and if you haven't seen that video, basically the whole gist of this series is just documenting my whole journey of not only just my hair growth, but also just learning my hair on my own and learning how to style it on my own the right way. So with all that being said, let's get right into the video. So as you can see, I have my hair all the way out. I just took it out of twists I had left in last night. So I wanted to for a month just kind of actually be active with doing my hair instead of having it in cornrows. So last week I did twists. And that'll actually be my next video, how I twist my hair and then stretch it out. But for this video, I have found my new lazy style that I am just in love with, and that is the puff. So there's already a ton of tutorials out there already, but this one is different because it's me. But here are the products you will need. So you will need gel of your choice, some more gel of your choice. If your hair is like mine, then you're definitely gonna need extra security, and then your handy dandy bristle brush. To begin this little shindig, you're gonna take your gel and let me scoot up some. Since I'm not using my mirror, I'm about to use my phone as my mirror, so hopefully this won't be bootleg. Yeah, you're just gonna take your gel and you're just gonna apply it all around your hairline, front, sides, and back. And don't be afraid to, and this is something I had to learn after my first fail, don't be afraid to, be generous with the gel, because you really want your hair to, lay down, especially if your hair is anything like mine, difficult. Yeah, and yeah, just be sure to put it along the line. You don't really have to put gel in your hair. That was what I did the first time, and I don't know who told me to do that. FYI, if it matters, my hair length, so in the front it goes down to about my top lip, and then in the back it goes down to about my collarbone. So it's pretty easy to do this without having to really stretch my hair out. But I'm pretty sure anybody can do a puff regardless of how big their hair is, because I've seen it all. And I was honestly surprised that I could do a puff. Yeah, so we're pretty much done with using our first gel. And of course, if you need more, you can always go back and add some. So now, we are going to take this Gorilla Snot, and we are going to apply it to the same areas that we used the first gel. And as you can see, my hair is kind of starting to lay up a little bit, where I put the gel at, so that's exactly what we want. I know this is when it's gonna be a little bit more jank, but it's okay because I'm just going to work. I don't really have anywhere to step out, so it's not like I really need to care about how my hair looks. Cause you know, when you don't, if you're going somewhere where you don't have anybody to impress, then it's just like, why go all the way out, you know? Okay, so now that we are done putting gel on our hair, we're just going to take this brush and we're going to brush our hair. Oh yeah, and if there's like anything that you think I can do better, then of course, do not be scared to tell me in the comments below. So now I am doing the side that I always hate to do, which is the sides, because my hair is so, you know, kinky that really for me to probably have like a super slick look on the sides, I would like have to keep brushing, but my hair already hurts. My hair does not hurt. My arms already hurt because doing a puff is a lot of, it's a workout. It is a workout. So yeah, I usually don't ever like get a completely like slick look. I just brush it back enough to where it'll just kind of like lay on its own. So yeah, as you can see, like I usually just brush it enough to where like this right here is kind of like, you know, slick down. Yeah, like I said, I just brush until like my arm just gets like super tired. So yeah, I think this right here is good. And then just gonna brush the back. So yeah, we're almost done. Once I just get this side to, you know, act right, then we're gonna get our shoelace. Okay. So yeah, I think I kind of got this. And I mean, you know, your puff, you do it how you want it to look. So, you know, me, I don't really care about like, you know, if my hair is a little frizzy. Because I mean, that's my hair texture, so it's not really anything I can do about that. But, so now we're gonna take our shoelace right here. Now don't do what I did and just get a shoelace from like any old shoe. I mean, of course get it from a shoe that you don't wear, but you know, I got one from a shoe that's probably like 2 sizes too small. So yeah, I'd be kind of struggling with this shoelace a little bit, but we can still twerk it and work it. What you're gonna wanna do is just have like the middle of the shoelace around like your kitchen. And then, oop, hold on, it's got a knot. And that would have screwed the whole thing up. Okay. Now, yeah, just get the middle around your kitchen, and you know, you can just feel to make sure that it's right there. Then you're just gonna tie it around your forehead like this, and then you're gonna pull. You're gonna pull as tight as you can and push the string. Of course, when I'm filming myself, I'm gonna have trouble doing it. Yeah, just pull. And push as tight as you can, and that is what is going to get you your shape. Oh, hold on, I like this one. And of course, you know, like the tighter you pull, the smaller like your puff is gonna be. So then like once you get it to where you want it to be, just loop the shoestring as many times as it will go around, and then when you get to the end, you're just going to tuck the shoestring in, and bam, you have your puff. And then your puff, I don't have my pick in here. Since this is like day one, I usually just kind of like leave it alone, like with however it is. I'm not really sure if I'm feeling this, so I might add some more gel. So I'm gonna see if I can kind of get that to lay down a little bit, because this side does not look okay either. Might have some more work to do. And I certainly did have some work to do, so I'm just going to spare the embarrassment of me trying to put more gel on my hair when I didn't need to, and we'll just cut to the end where my puff actually looks decent. And this is the final result after I fix it. Sometimes you might have to take it out and redo it, which is what I should have did, you know, just a second ago, but I was just trying to do the most. But the most important thing is that it came out right. So yeah, this is what it should look like, and you know, yeah, it looks all better. And like I was saying, your puff, like you can just like pick it out to your desire. I might just leave it like this, or I might just lift it up a little bit, I don't know. But yeah, I just had to come back and show you guys that I didn't just leave with that hot mess before. But yeah, now I can properly end the video. So if you guys enjoyed watching this video, then please consider giving it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, subscribe, and definitely do not hesitate to leave me any comments down below. Until my next video, I will catch you later.